Brian's question was, can we review the trade setups using the accelerator and breaks, and then also mix in retrace trades? Okay. So what we're looking for is 632. Right, here's 632 right here. Okay. Now we're looking for our first trade setup. It's long here, and you could follow it by a second one here. Okay. You got a nice scalp and a nice move. All right. Remember the 2-arrow rule. Once you've got that, I ignore the rest of them because I've got a runner I'm trying to let run. So I'm ignoring this one and ignoring this one. I'll take the opposite direction. All right. Here's opposite direction. Opposite direction, short. Second one, short. That's 1, 2. All right. The 2-arrow rule. I'm going to ignore this and this. All right. Once we got 15 minutes beyond the pit open, we can also take retrace trades if we want. Okay. If we want. We got a trend change here. So we're looking for first time retrace to the midband. Well, this was first time retrace here. It came within a tick or two. All right. But that, well, actually that did qualify as well. So that met our criteria. All right. This was second time retrace right here. All right. Second time retrace. Notice also it was an S2 setup. We had an S2 setup short here. Okay. We're still on the accelerator. Now I think, yeah, we're still on the accelerator, and we're coming up to our report. Okay, and as I mentioned, we're within 5 minutes of that report. I don't like to take any new trades within 5 minutes of any type of a report, so we're going to wait. We're not going to take it. Because as you recall, we had both an ISM report today, and also Yellen was speaking at 7 a.m. Pacific. So that series of trades right in here, just 5 minutes before, again, we're ignoring that, and we're going to wait until 2 minutes after. All right, 2 minutes after, you had a short trade that was also a retrace trade to the midband. That trade did not work out. You did not get enough in there for a scalp, but then again, using the accelerator for the next 15 minutes, okay, we're going to use the accelerator again for the next 15 minutes. You had a long trade entry, and then we came up and hit what? We hit the phantom. All right, phantom trades are allowed. We don't follow the rule on that. So that was first time into the phantom, a good place to take profits. And if you want, even though the octopus didn't signal it, it's a good place that you can add you can go short. Remember, there's various octopuses that run this, but you'll pick these phantom trades up. So it is a short trade after we came up. Then there was one more potential re-entry long on the NASDAQ, and then still running for 15 minutes. It took a short on the accelerator and one more short add-on. We don't follow the third arrow, right? Going to follow the 2-arrow rule. All right, now that brings us to 7:15. We can start using the breaks. Now notice on the breaks there was a series of 3 trade entries up here, but this is second time into the phantom. All right, you've heard us say second time into the phantom is not as strong as the first, so you can elect to ignore that. I generally do. It still produced some profit on the trade, but if we follow the rule, you're going to ignore that trade. Now, what are we waiting on? We're waiting on our setup for our breaks or first time to the midband on a retrace. Okay, and there's our first time to the first time to the midband on a retrace. We got the trend signal. It was up, not enough to make a scalp. All right, that trade got stopped out, about a 6-tick loss. It was coming back down to the phantom, coming back for another setup, but notice we got a trend change. The octopus had no trade at all. Got a trend change to the downside. First time into the mid band right there. A nice scalp, 7-8 ticks, no runner. And then back up higher, moving back up into the phantom again one more time. First time phantom again. Octopus signal to trade. If you had a tight stop right above there, you would have gotten stopped out. You come right back in on the second trade entry. And that's very important when it comes to trading. You have to have that dogged perseverance to take that second trade. And that trade was a home run. That trade was a good 80 tick winner all the way down. Okay. Notice when we came down to the bottom, we already were first time mid band right there. We came down to the bottom. We were going to form second time to the mid band right there. That's the second entry. Reversal bar, second time to the mid band, you got a nice profit. Now notice, third time to the mid band, we're waiting for a higher trade. Okay, we're not looking to take the trade. That's at the mid band. We're looking for that higher trade right there. And then of course, down it went with the counter trend. If you wanted to take that counter trend long or the second long, and you can see we're still moving up. And as we speak, attempting to get a phantom trade now potentially to the upside. Okay, and that's it. That's the way that we like to trade these setups. That's using a combination of the accelerator pedal, the brakes, and also doing first time and second time to the mid bands after a trend change, first time into the phantoms after a trend change or a ratchet. And those are the basic rules that we like to follow here at High Percent Trading. If you follow those rules, you will be profitable 22 out of 23 trading days. You just have to have the patience, discipline, and timing to cover that. I've just swung back to the website one more time here at High Percent Trading. I want to make an announcement. Today is Wednesday. On Friday and or Saturday, one of the two upcoming days coming up, if you can attend the webinars, we're going to be doing a contest. It's a simple contest just to guess a number. The winner of that contest will get one complete month's free package on everything that you're seeing here in High Percent Trading. It's the entire package, 1 month free. If you're an existing member and you win, you'll get credit for that month. If you're here on trial or want to take a trial or just coming in and you win, then of course you'll get the entire month for you, and that will include a 1 hour one-on-one coaching session for you as well. Okay, so you need to come in, try to attend the webinars we've got coming here on Thursday. We're going to be here at 9:20 in the morning Pacific Eastern. On Friday, again 9:20 in the morning Eastern. That's also non-farm payroll day. That's generally a very good day. We also have tutorial webinars here on Thursday, scheduled for 1:30 p.m. Eastern, and then again on Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern, tutorial webinar. And as I said, we'll be doing our contests either on Friday or Saturday, and so one of you lucky winners will get that. Okay. If you want to take a trial, if you haven't taken the trial yet, just come to the web page here, highpercenttrading.com. Go to the free trial download, which is right here. Just briefly fill out the information. Not the download, I'm sorry. Go to the free trial link. I misspoke. Here's the free trial link. Just go to that, fill it out, and we'll get you the trial. Okay? Well, I hope that overview was good for you. Again, it showed the standard basic way we like to trade markets, and we are going to be applying that all this week, and that is, in a nutshell, one of the strong ways we like to trade. So thanks for watching. I hope this was informative. I hope to see all of you in the upcoming webinars, and please take a trial if you have not done so. Anybody who has taken a trial in the past, you're still eligible to take this one as well, okay? So thanks again for watching. Bye, everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.